Hello, hi. Let's go at work over here. I've just watched episode about Nicole Nyaba. She's gorgeous. Jesus. I prefer them dark though. Oh my, that woman. So she was being interviewed, go the smoke. She said something, man. And when she was busy, Annalie, aka, he was busy doing things with DJ Zinhle. Okay. We do have baby mamas who will be giving it up to baby daddies, even if the relationship is alive. They are co-parenting, but the baby mama will still allow the baby daddy to get some. But in this case, yeah, Nicole Nyaba, nah, aka lied to Nicole Nyaba. AKA and DJ Zinhle, they were doing things together because they were in a relationship. I guess there's a time they broke up. Then maybe that was the time, aka Anana Nicole. Baby daddies, they do this. It happens, Nicole. Maybe then aka di seta gore eng o ya ko go baby mama o lo bankanya dilo le baby mama. Now the problem here, aka he was not honest to Nicole. He went, he fixed things with Zinhle. They were doing things with Zinhle because they were in a relationship. Men lie. And I don't know if ke skill or ke tlo go bitsa eng ne. But you know, men, they can downgrade mosadi. They can upgrade. Hey, mosadi. Men, they can demote you. Monna o gona go tsaya le sneaky link. O mo itseng sentle o ke sneaky link sa gagwe. Wa kgona go mo tsaya a se fe position ko godimonyana a monke e nne main chick or something. Men do that. Men o kgona go fetola mosadi wa gagwe ka motlong ka mo a mo demote. Mosadi a mo kentse reng a itse I do a ba mo demote ha fetsa a ba mo fetola stranger. Cause a ba mo fetola sex partner because there are men who at least do that. I tell you you are lucky if things are not going well ko lenyalong la gago but your man o ntse a batla go robala le wena. You must count your blessings. You are the most luckiest woman on planet Earth. Ooh, basadi. Go to you are lucky. Monna o kgona go fetola mosadi o a mo nyetseng o a mo kentseng reng stranger. O kgona mo fetola an enemy. O kgona gore a mo ghoste. A mo ghost. Monna a ghoste mosadi. O a rileng ke tsena ka maoto a mabedi. A go ghost monna. You know, mosadi o la modimo o le o sale a nyetswe o na le mo 50 years or 40 years. Monna attention a lelang e mo monneng wa gagwe. Gore ha o ntshebe, ha o pay attention. Why nka attention? O na le yone. It's not like mosadi wa tsenwa o batla monna something e senang yone. No, she knows how you don't give me attention. Because before attention ne le teng. So she knows gore motho ke mmatlang attention o. Attention a kila mpha yone. Mara monna a ba dira eng? Monna ba tsaya attention eo a ire. A ba re tavern. A ba bona ngwanyana. Beke tse pedi nyana. A ba mo boom. A mo fa attention. E wena o leng busy o le prayer warrior. O leng prayer warrior. We kopa le mo modimong attention eo gore monna wa go fe yone. A tsamaya le kopanya le motho wa beke tse pedi a mo fe attention eo. A sa e kopa. A upgrade stranger after a hetole wena stranger. Ha ke tshege ba gaetsho. Ha ke tshege. le tla tloga le ntsena. But I'm just saying, men lie. Men can downgrade women, men can upgrade women. Kore mo go bone ba dira ka mokgwa ba batlang. Ba dira ka mokgwa ba batlang. Go na le basadi, o itse there are women who don't ask for much, but they receive everything. And when these women batla mo interneteng mo ba tlo bua ka dilo tse yalo, some of you get offended because you think all men are like your men. You think because wena you have only 40 years and in the past 8 years, 7 years straight, you and your men have never done anything. Blanket vibes. The land is dry. You are only 30. Imagine, there's a 28-year-old or a 30-year-old, 27-year-old woman. See how young that lady, but there is in South Africa right now, there's a 27-year-old, 30-year-old lady who is married and lonely. I'm telling you, she is lonely. Because what? Man woke up one day are oja modimo da. Gore kitse I do. I batle motho. Ke modimo aba go ghost. Monna wa gago. A nyamele beki. Men lie and how robala le ene. In most cases you leave everything. In most cases. So I think Nicole ona believe everything aka anaibua ona believe, but wabona mo go e yone ya ga Zinhle this they were doing things. Baby girl, he was not honest with you. That man lied to you. He lied. That's why you had to pack your things and leave, because unobona lo ena gore he's wasting your time. It happens. Men, I can't say ke tla ba gifted when people are like that. When people are smart enough to downgrade women, upgrade women, tell women whatever they think. Come on. I don't know. Maybe ke gift. See you on the next one. I think tomorrow. Love you.